Struggling to choose between Cricket Wireless and AT&T? We're breaking down the key differences to help you pick the perfect mobile carrier. First up, pricing. Cricket Wireless is all about affordable prepaid plans, often requiring no credit check. AT&T offers a wider range of plans, including premium options with perks, but typically at a higher monthly cost and may require a credit check. Coverage is crucial. AT&T boasts a vast nationwide network, generally offering excellent coverage. Cricket uses AT&T's network, meaning you'll get similar coverage, but data speeds might be slightly slower during peak times. Now, let's explore plan features. AT&T plans often include perks like streaming service bundles, international calling options, and generous data allowances. Cricket focuses on simplicity, offering straightforward plans with set data amounts, and some plans offer hotspot. Who are these carriers for? Cricket appeals to budget-conscious individuals and families seeking reliable coverage without the frills. AT&T targets users who need premium features, the fastest speeds, and are willing to pay more for it. So, Cricket or AT&T? If you prioritize affordability and reliable coverage, Cricket is a great choice. If you need top-tier performance, extra perks, and don't mind the higher price tag, AT&T might be a better fit. Now you're ready to decide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparisons.